For the redox reaction, MnO4 negative plus C2O4 2 negative plus H positive gives Mn2 positive plus CO2 plus H2O. So the correct coefficients of the reactants for the balanced equation are this following given table. MnO for the first part, MnO4 negative have 16 as a coefficient, C2O4 2 negative 5, H positive 2. Here MnO4 5, C2O4 16 and H positive 2, MnO4 2, C2O4 16, H positive 5, or MnO4 2, C2O4 5, or H positive 16. So the answer should be 4 because MnO4 and Mn positive will go reduction. C2O4 and CO2 will give oxidation. So the N factor of MnO4 negative will be 5. N factor of C2O4 2 negative will be 2. Ratio of N factors of MnO4 negative and C2O4 2 negative is 5:2. So molar ratio in balanced reaction is 2:5. So the balanced equation is 2 MnO4 negative plus 5 C2O4 2 negative plus 16 H positive gives 2 Mn2 positive plus 10 CO2 plus 8 H2O.